Hey everyone, it's Stephanie. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily clean your stainless steel sinks like a pro and leave them nice and shiny and clean. So step one, you want to remove everything from in your sink and around your sink. I did a previous video of how to get your sponge caddy to stay on the sink, and man, that sucker has not moved since I did that video a couple months ago. So what you want to use first is some Dawn Powerwash. Go ahead and spray it all over your sink. This is really going to cut down the grease and grime. Also, if you don't have Dawn Powerwash in your country, which I've heard before, you can make your own with just dish soap, water, and rubbing alcohol. So all you want to do is give your sink a good scrub with a non-scratch sponge, which is why I like the Scrub Daddy. And make sure you get inside the garbage disposal area and around just like the food catcher, because those things can trap smells and all of that. And then rinse it off with a microfiber cloth that is just wet. Then I'm just using another microfiber cloth to continue wiping off the sink. And then the final step to cleaning your sink is using the liquid barkeeper's friend. This stuff is amazing and such a great cleaner. It's really going to help get the rest of the gunk that could be sitting in your sink and hard water stains and all that. So just give it another good scrub with your Scrub Daddy. One thing you want to be cautious of is you do not want to let barkeeper's friend sit on your sink for a long time. You kind of actually want to rinse it off fairly quickly. So scrub it, let it sit for about a minute, and then rinse it off right away. I hope you found this video helpful of how to clean your kitchen sink. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I have a whole playlist full of cleaning videos that can show you how to clean various things around your home. And this is my sink all nice and shiny. All right, catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.